Hey everybody, Seth here at Pocket Yacht, and today I'm going to walk you guys around one of our newest listings. This is a 2024 Ranger Tugs R-27 Luxury Edition. This thing is loaded out with a bunch of options. There's some custom woodwork in it, which is really nice that I think you guys will see the appeal in, and makes it really functional here on the inside. This boat is located here on Kent Island at the Piney Narrows. Easily accessible. If you guys want to come and take a look at it, please feel free to let me know. We're happy to set up a showing for you. And without further ado, we're going to walk you around this thing.
All right, guys, popping inside the cabin of the boat here. See the canvas covers on it. The EVA foam decking has been lifted off and the non-skid under it clean, so it's a nice, fresh, clean look. Storage area there on the port side, keeping everything outside the boat that you want to stay outside there. I'm going to pop inside now. Nice Ranger Tugs wood finish everywhere, and you're going to see these custom woodworkings highlighted here. So dining room table pops down into a bunk. You got the quarter berth up under there, and then a custom wood enclosure there for storage. All the cabinetry and everything built in-house out there at Fluid Motion. Got your little refrigerator there. Here is the driver console. So you have all your screens and everything. We went ahead and popped the covers off, take a look at everything booted up. And then right below it, you have another little removable storage area sitting on a French cleat that is custom on this boat. And on the passenger side, you're going to see another custom storage area as well. And that's actually really neat. That is a fishing rod holder that's up on top on that trim piece. Under the quarter berth, you have all your switches and everything, AC panel, AC. You have removable shelves over there. Looking into the berth, very nice. And then even more storage. That is another custom wood fixture there. And then on the side spot where you can put your keys and other small things on a pegboard. And we're going to head over to the head real quick, opening that up. First thing I want to highlight is the towel rack, custom towel rack, which is a nice little touch there. And then, yeah, just nice little head area on the R-27. Up top, you do have a solar panel, and then you have a Garmin radar. All right, guys, if you do want to schedule a walk around, please let me know. Be happy to show the boat off to you. Like I said, it is down here in the Kent Narrows, so anything we can do to help, please feel free to reach out. We can be reached at www.pocketyachtco.com, or you can email us directly at sales@pocket-yacht.com. Thank you so much for walking around with us, guys. Talk to you soon.